Me fumble them. Una no say I dey inside Maryland. And when I dey inside Maryland, I've been promised una say if I come inside Maryland, I go na Jagabani office. I go na Jagabani office. So today I dey na Jagabani office. Yeah. So I park across the streets from Jagabani office in na Jagabani office this. So I really not be one good long day because I don't want the Sagalians thing for Casada Kitchen, corrupt the whole operation. But for una way they talk beaucoup nonsense, beaucoup wuturata about Jagabana. So I did my office, can book it. My office this the entire building as you can see. Now in cars, official trucks in this as you can see. All of these are his employees in the great United States. And the reason make way I know that the Casada Kitchen I make people the Allah but na Jagabani office this and my employees in this and
you don't go see the big one under?
No, this one, this other one.
No, not this. The next one.
Oh,
the big one.
Wow.
Yes.
Well,
that's
the new one, Andy. Well, yes. The mommy will get the game.
The mommy will get the game.
Yes. That Jagabani workers in this nine fleets of cars, this nine clients in this. So, yes, not to. I mean, this is a whole compound. This is a whole compound. All of these are his workers and his clients. And I want to tell you, say he occupies the entire building. These are the small one, the small building, the small facility. They have another big facility, as you can see. All of these are his vehicles. All of these are his vehicles for his clients and things like that. All of these are for his clients. Nobody parks in this lot except his. As you can see, the entire building is his building. It's not like he sublets one room. No. And I'll take you in because they're having a staff meeting. I will take you in there, but as you all can see, this is his entire building, the entire block he sees. I am just taking you around the complex. This is the back of the complex of the office. This is the back of the office. Yes, good morning, my darling. Yes. Oh, no, it's me. All right, mama. Okay, darling. It's me. I am telling the people in Sagalion the good work that Jagabani is doing in America here. Yes. It's not only in Sagalion, it's here. As you can see, this is his office. And I will ask them permission to go in, because they're having a staff meeting. They're having a staff meeting. I'll go ask 1 minute safely, then just make a pass me inside the staff meeting. Yeah. Staff meeting. They're having a staff meeting, as you can see. I'll go inside the main building now. As you can see, this is the main building. The chairman saved in here because I did live right now. So this is my office. This Mende man I get for come married.
Yeah, the next Mende man.
The next Mende man I get for come. Hello, my darling. How are you, darling? How are you? How are you? Oh my God. So like I said, they're having a meeting. I can watch inside the meeting, I'm not getting rights, but Well, outside they get the meeting, no so is there. Now, Bra, you can't put outside they get the meeting for me. Now pick 1 minute. No, not to you. Let's just show people them staff meeting then they get. As you can see, it's a whole facility, well structured. Everything is in place. This is the kitchen, office space, everything. I cannot go in people's office. But as you can see, the entire building.
Mom.
How did it start?
Fine, Mom.
Oh, Oga, how now? So we have different national. Like I told you, one thing I like about him. One thing I love about him, it is not about you being a Sierra.
Let's go for the
He employs every nationality here.
money.
Yes, my darling. I'm
Casada
yes,
Kitchen.
my darling.
Are you glad for me, Tara?
I'm glad for me, sir.
But tell her, bring money. You don't forgive
Glad
me.
for me, sir.
Are you listening?
Glad for me.
Nobody don't send me. They give me
So as you can see, the office is big, and they get a second floor as well. It's not only here, but I want me to see they didn't a meeting. I just want me to peep the amount of staff. This no company one that we already left. I mean the one that we they own.
She needs to check the address.
We they own. As you can see, how many buses still left? So many buses can still come in. It's a fleet of buses. So not of say, established in America. Well established. Well established. And the cable are going at the second floor. Yeah, from the first floor to the second floor, obviously an elevator. So not of say an elevator okay for you to go at the second floor. Well, now then one day, now then thing they will call development. When you see somebody in development, this is not a cool room for clients. As you can see, this is not an activity room for clients. So for tell you say not to today the man don't do good job. He don't create jobs in America. They don't create jobs in America.
I want to tell
So they want for create more jobs for Sierra-Leoneans.
Look me new baby, Casada Kitchen. Sabian, you don't see how they talk,
How
right?
did they buy?
How you do?
And the baby this Casada Kitchen.
The popular Casada
Nine this.
How did they buy? No bad.
Ready for see you.
Tell God thank
And the
you.
popular Casada Kitchen.
The Casada
Somebody
winner
wants see now.
Even now waiting I dey say.
Of course, I mean
I
the
can't for show Jagaban a good job. Do I beg you?
Yes. Well, for us, just we praise and
No, I mean after the praise at the tenant to you don't say me I no get party.
Oh, wait, sir. Look Casada Kitchen.
You know say me I no get party.
Look Casada Kitchen. Yes. I said, like, give me money. For 2 years now. For 2 years, you owe me.
Selam.
2 years.
E waka disturb me
That is stop. This is a mega star in Sierra Leone. Everybody knows her. Oh, worldwide. That's her. When you get money, can't give me money there. Can't give me money. No, you give me.
They don't give me transport for go there and ask me for the campaign.
Yeah.
You know say Casada yesterday, you know say Casada Kitchen no can get petrol money. No.
Never no carry it.
No, not guys.
Well, for everyone.
I miss you. I love you, baby.
I love you too, sweetie. So now the first office this time. I want to go down at the second office.
Bisawa. What you got here?
So look at the show now, eh? At the money office this. My vehicles than this. Like clients than this. You get over 1,000 clients. When you get 1,000 clients, you know say you now you and government they talk. When you get 1,000 clients, you for realizing that you and government they talk. For tell you say that well established business. I mean, it's so funny that as clients they go, clients they come, and I not forget to all of these clients they get houses. All of the clients they get houses, and in they take care of the houses. All of the clients there need to be fed, and in they feed them. So when they talk about money man, we don't establish. Now this is what they talk about. Because if you get 1,000 clients in Maryland, this is not for children. And this is not a small office. Oh. Just like what I tell you now, all these cars are for his clients.
Chef, I tell the mommy, we get the game. The one and only. Yes, the one and only.
So like everyone understand, eh? Oh, okay. So as you can see, it's like a day service, but you know some of them get housing. This is the office. They only come here because they get meeting today. And the workers obviously can take the vehicle and go take the clients, and those we get for go do shopping and bling. You know. So this is just one of the office. Now 2 offices to get. The new one way they renovate with bigger past this. Because it say one do this only for the clients. The office not there with this wire. So begin last show now. The vicinity, the area, and this is Forbes Square. Where obviously it's a commercial area. So you know say the rent now you not to you rent na a normal place, because all of these are industrial area, business areas. Yeah. So this is the manner we want go develop salon. We know the thief salon money. We get EU money already. We instead of go take that money there, go spend on other country, go develop other country. It decides in one can bring a kind of salon. Waiting doing a salon. Now swear we get. Now better we not like on a thief man they we like. On a lot think no more. Waiting doing an a country day. Now swear we get. Now better we not like on a thief man they we like. They want the way they can life away every day. They bring new direction. The new direction are for full their family, their pockets. But somebody will get him money already. We already get him money. It don't establish. It create jobs. It decides say, I don't want to develop America because I don't already get now. Make her go home and go help me people then. Secondly, now get for the think in a positive way. Una don't forget about this green, white, and blue, green and red. Think about the future of the country. Think about the youth, the future. The reason why I make boko of the youth end up on drugs. Now because they not get nothing for do. I don't know if they allow me, but one can watch inside this thing. I be really watch inside the meeting for last show now. See, not to wait. I be listening by the time when they come on meeting, because they get family meeting, right? Sorry, I get staff meeting. By the time when they come on the staff meeting, I go and that one they not be want. The old man be like, hey, Casada Kitchen, because even though it gets other nationality, then the mass majority of them are Sierra-Leoneans. So, I mean. Look why this one and normal. We still there on the development. It takes somebody to get this kind of business to America. It takes somebody to get 1,000 clients. I don't do well, my darling. Yes, my darling. I miss you too. So, the parking lot safe. I get for go. Na all the person in parking lot for go park because they not get space so we. Na the parking lot. Yeah. They not get space for winning at the parking lot step. And after this, one or two, one people work a good on the day, big. They not can corrupt people and then corrupt me. So at any rate, I just want to show and see. I've been promising to see. You go drag. No, I don't need for drag. I am already a celebrity. I was invited. I no need for drag, darling. I was invited. I know say always you comment and keep be negative. But I believe say like me and you team up now, nobody no go ever invite you. And nobody no go ever recognize you. So that one is the difference between me and you. But no, I no can drag. I was invited. Yes, because I'm very important. You no go ever be as important as I am. Trust me on that. So you can keep on coming here, making your negative statements. It helps my algorithm to go up. Trust me. So I love when you give those your negative statements. Like I said, I was invited. And by the way, I'm describing myself, so I just get for a jacket for make it look presentable because I'm just ready now for jumping at the highway for Gunami City. Yeah, I'm just ready for jumping at the highway for Gunami City. So, yes, brah. All the other building.
You see that white van is so?
Right.
That big building.
Not the other building.
That's the new office.
Okay, well, I do go there before I come back.
Then at the 1.3 million building.
Eh?
Go say a big passes.
Lord of mercy, 1.3. Eh?
Jagaban gets the group homes there. It gets 34 houses.
Thank God.
34 houses. You understand? It get over 80 clients there. Each of their clients get, you know, saying that at least na 6 staffs.
I know, but
so where do the calculation? Where the talk say
the brother they are big. I say with the bank 1,000, you say 500. I know those are the first this I don't see.
You get petrol station back.
But I say I go show on the other because they not show me the 1.3 million facility. I not be one go there, but I'll go there now. For last show on back. Let it not be say. Now, Kutok, not to the one that they can't tell we say then they can do A, B, C, and T. Where they do nothing. Passport can thief, we know. Yeah. If you tear we back, part up with couple. One thing more, you get for go out and not good for going inside. See, and I want to about the complex there. They're all you get for, you cannot just, you get for go out and come in. Alrighty. Oh, it's just a stone road. It's not that far. It's just between one. Am I in the right place? Oh yeah, this is a big generation. Okay, then this is where it's supposed to be. Yeah. Well, this that the other Jagaban office. This I think say they on construction. I'm not too sure. Yes, then they're on construction, as you can see. Because yeah, they're in construction. Then they're on construction. Is it Jagaban office? Office Jagaban? Yeah. Okay. So yeah. At the other office this. Well, I go see if I can able to go inside. At the front. This one big past that one, obviously. Because I see that they do repairs. Well, let's see if I can get access to the building as a Kungusa. I don't know how they access this. But anyway. Hey, I think what? I don't know how they access this. But make a see if we can go together and go see if they get access. Because anyway, they are doing repairs, so it is obvious. Maybe they're not going to allow it for going inside. Maybe they don't repairs. I don't know. But this is not the new Jagaban office. Can they do? Oh, okay. Oh, as you can see, repairs has been taking place. Yeah. Hello. How you doing? And still they do repairs at the new office. Wow. Ooh. Just look at the rooms. This is a massive place. Wow, just look at the rooms. I mean, the man skip off. This is million, I'm telling you. All the walls has been stripped off. All the carpets. That means a new carpet. Jesus is Lord. This is not a small money. When I look at the kind of television they waiting at the place, Lord have mercy. Jesus. The people there. When they tell when I say that money they spoil nonsense, I swear to God. To God and I believe for money they spoil nonsense. Now the kitchen this. I know I'm touching. If I don't know if like now the kitchen this kitchen. Everything is brand new. As soon as I can see just the repair. The new place. At the same time it gets elevator too, up and down. My people in this place massive. When I believe that saying where they say that money they spoil nonsense. Billahi. Lord have mercy. Look at one of the staff, the office is there where they prepare. Shit. This now other. Can you imagine? When I just look at this now another hall. They're laying new carpets all over. New carpets all over. Each and every room has been stripped of the carpets. Each and every room has been stripped. Everywhere is new carpets being laid. Everywhere. New carpets being laid. Let's take out and go up on the second floor. And by the way, it gets a down floor. Like you wanna go up on the second floor. Yeah. They like what they tell you, every floor is been stripped off. But people, they say you poverty is a bastard. Poverty in a bastard picking. Anybody will tell you you poor in this world. Poverty in a bastard picking. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you, sir? Nobody. Tell Master take. Yeah, so I can work at the new Jagaban office.
Oh, you can work at the office?
Yes.
All right.
So, yes, that's what they say. Tell God thank you. So that the new office is a quatelona. Everything is being stripped off. Everything is being stripped off. My God, I didn't tell you a lie. This place massive. A massive. This is not one room. The people there. Why they tell you say this place is massive? 1.3 million. The people there, this place is massive. Anybody will say they no get money killer. I swear to God, God will forgive you. God will forgive you. Now the kitchen is one of the kitchens. I know, okay. Now just imagine kitchen. And every other thing here again for being obviously all of this is new. Everything is new. Everything is new. Now another office this. Everything is being stripped off. Everything is being stripped off. Every carpet in the wall. That's another room. Okay, this they're doing the ceiling now. So they got to spread to change the light bulb and things like that. Make people in. Anybody who says ceiling don't get money. If you want to make it go down, make it go down. But what they say, this place massive. A massive, big.
When your dog's guilty,
What's a big?
serve olive. Human grade meals so irresistible, even the fussiest pups love it. Crafted
Just imagine one hole. Just imagine a one hole is. Just imagine. And then you get rooms, connecting rooms. I mean, this place is massive. And trust me, all of these carpets are being ripped off. Brand new carpets being installed. Brand new amenities being installed. What is Sierra Leonean they want? If this man can get money go to other country, then go home and pass president. But you want bring and come. Now we young country, for make we young people they left kush, for make we young brother they left drugs, then the government they stop them for do development. This is the main floor, they go down at the third floor. That 3-story building. And I don't make a work at the bank on Gosa. Yeah. So now we're in at the third floor. The how they call it? The underground, but how they call it, deck. The quality tell now. The man is repairing everything. Everything is brand new. Everything is brand new. Everything. As soon as I can see. Everything is ripping everything off. Brand new. Everything. This are the little looking for me storage area. I tell them I get a lift from the ground floor up. So you know you don't need for worker. Again, my God. This I think to say the reception down there was a little bit out of order, so I don't come up back in the main lobby. Yeah, I don't come back in the main lobby. Now, let me tell you one thing about this building. This building originally belongs to the army veterans. To the army veterans. For make Jagaban able acquire this. I wish people let me understand. For they able acquire this from the army veterans. That means for say a pastoral process. It requires the tell from up All the carpets are being ripped. All the carpets. Everything. Oh my God. This is massive. This is big. And again, you know one thing where I want to make Sierra Leone understand? We have Nigerians doing it. We have Ghanaians doing it. But who off with brother and sisters then? When in Canada, this country, they've been employed by Nigerians, Ghanaians. Now we don't get to be young brother with the two one. So again, that is another effort, another plus for me. So Mango, and one thing about Jagaban, most of your employees are Sierra Leoneans. Most of your employees are Sierra Leoneans. Yeah, like what they say, most of the employees are Sierra Leoneans. So that is why you say it don't take we it don't try for put food na Sierra Leone and the mouth. Whereas other national people they get their money, they need to think for employing nobody. Before that they go now with other place, they go develop other place without even thinking about their own home. And they will get for understand say this is not to drag man. Not supposed to if you cannot the country, you get for can take with salon government money. It's just that we Sierra Leone, we're so backward, we forget. Now make I tell people that if there is no revolution, better not go in that country day. Because if we still they continue by this party and that party day, no development no go take place in that country day. And who that get for Finland the most? Now they one day we not get nobody in the diaspora, the poor people. We not the one that way they use when they want for guys into power. Give una t-shirts, put una on the sun. But as una aid at una, that's the end of una life. Because even the hospital not get good medical. The hospital not get good medical. So if the hospital not get good medical, how you they expect to get good medical? Me say na the CEO, do you beg? Me say na CEO today. I don't come back to the CEO in place. Me say today na me say na the CEO. Now also Jagaban pack for pack na me say can pack. Let no be say me say today I take over a position as the CEO of a company. Yeah, so, but I want you now staff them. They did a meeting, and in the Jagaban self no carry. Till I ask my friend, okay, she don't can go look for interview and 2-3 because today I wear jackets because I know I didn't wood now for go. And why didn't I wood for go? I can look for feel free. Why didn't I the wood? But because I was invited here, I get for wear jacket for look professional. Paraklabu in 30 level. Paraklabu in 30 level. I like you, Doka. I like you, Doka. Jagaban, Doka.
They don't carry it.
Oh. No, not to the
watch banner the extreme this lane. You see one white Lexus back the way don't come.
No, outside the Lexus or park now, they may park now.
No, when they don't come.
Mr. Charles. That was a nice speech.
Wow, thank you, sir. And I'm ready for another interview.
Yeah?
I'm going to come down heavily like the Hiroshima bomb.
Ah la 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 la.
And I think to scatter Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
You're historically minded. They don't come in.
Anybody that does not know about Hiroshima.
But so many people don't know about it now. The Hiroshima bombing.
Release